Hello friends, we are going to start class 9 chapter 1 number system. So let's start. First we'll start with the number types. First type is natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? The numbers that start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are natural numbers. Next, the second type is whole numbers. So whole numbers are the numbers which start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and so on. Then the next type is integers. So integers are positive numbers and negative numbers. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on, and here also so on, minus 6, minus 7, like this. Then there comes rational numbers. So rational numbers are the numbers which can be written like this as fractions, but the denominator or q should not be equal to 0. Next topic is this, equivalent rational numbers. So how to make these? If there is a rational number given to you 1 upon 2 and you have to find two equivalent rational numbers, so we just have to multiply by the numerator and denominator by equal numbers. So we will multiply by 2 and 2. So 2 upon 4 is 1, and then second is we will multiply by 3 and 3 upon 6. So these are two equivalent rational numbers to this. Let's represent one half on number line. So first let's take a line of 10 centimeters. Now one half means half of it, right? So let's make a 0 and this is 1. So 0, 1. Now we have only 2. So we have to make two lines in between, two parts in between. So we have to take the half. So it's 10 means the half would be 5. So it's 5. So this is 1/2 and we have represented 1/2 on a number line. This is how we represent a number on a number line. Now let's start with the exercises of this book, Rachna Sagar class 9. So let's start. So the first question is, what are rational numbers? What are rational numbers? And give few examples. So what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of the fractions p upon q, where the denominator or q is not equal to 0. So few examples of this is equal to 5 upon 4, 3 upon 2, etc. Now the second question is, write rational numbers, 5 rational numbers equivalent to 3 upon 7. So now let's multiply the numerator and denominator by these same numbers to get the answer. So this is question 1, this is the answer, this is question 2, and this is the answer. So let's multiply. So let's first multiply by 2. So it will become 6 upon 14. This is the first. Second one, 3 upon 7 multiplied by 3. So 9 upon 21. Third will multiply by 4. So 3 multiply this is 7. 7 multiplied by 4, so it will be 12 upon 28. Then 3 upon 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 upon 35. And the last one is 3 upon 7 multiplied by 6. Now you can take any of the numbers. You can multiply any of the numbers. We can multiply by 100, both of them. But we have to multiply the numerator and denominator both by the same number. This is the logic. Now we have to represent the following rational numbers on number line. I'll tell you which ones. So the first part is 3, second is -5, third is 2 upon 5, fourth is 11 upon 7, fifth is 1.4, and sixth is -3.2. So this 3, it's very simple. You just have to make the number line, make equal units 1, 2, 3 and 0.3 on it. And next is -5. We have to go left of 0. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We have to make it at equal units. 2 upon 5, it's between 0 and 1. So we have to make 5 equal parts between 0 and 1. And the second part would be 2 upon 5. Here it's between 1 and 2 because we can write it like 7 upon 11 as 1, 4 upon 7. So it's between 1 and 2. And it's the fourth part of 7 equal parts. I'll go through these two, 1.4 and -3.2. So let's start with question 3, the fifth part, 1.4 on a number line. So how can we write 1.4? We can write 1, 4 upon 10, right? And we can also simplify it by dividing it by 2. So this will become 2 and this will become 5. So we have to make 1, 2 upon 5 on number line. Means it's between 1 and 2. Now let's make the number line. Let's make 1 and 2. So this will be 1 and we need 5 equal. So let's make it 10 centimeters long. So this is 10 centimeters. This is 1 and 2. And now let's make 5 equal to parts. Means the parts should be at 2 each. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are all the equal parts. And now 1, 2 upon 5. So this is 1, 2 upon 5. So this is also 1, 4 upon 10 or 1, 2 upon 5. Now we also have to do the sixth part, -3.2. That means it's saying -3, 2 upon 10. So let's simplify it. So -3, 1 upon 5 on a number line. So let's do it. It should be between -3 and -4. So let's make it. So 10 centimeters. So this would be -3. This would be -4. So now let's make the equal 5 parts. So let's make it. So 1 will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And this will be 3, 1 upon -3, 1 upon 5 or -3, 2 upon 10. These are equivalent fractions, as you know. Now let's do question 4. Find a rational number between. So we have to find rational numbers between the numbers. So I'll teach you how to do it. So 2 and 3 means 2 and 3 we have to find a rational number between these two. This means 2 is equal to 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. So let's make the difference between the denominators bigger. So we'll multiply by an equivalent fract, we'll make them equivalent, but their denominator difference would be, the numerator different would be bigger, not the denominators. So let's do it. So let's multiply it by 2. So this would be 2 upon 2. No, this would be 4 upon 2, sorry. And this 3 upon 1 will multiply it by 2 also. So this would be 6 upon 2. So rational number between this is 5 upon 2. Right? So this is how we will have to do these parts. I'll take one more part of this question. 0.45 and 0.45 and 1.2. So 0.45 and 1.2. You have to find a rational number, means it should be in the form P upon Q. So this is equal to 45 upon 100, and this will be equal to 1, 2 upon 10 is equal to 10 ones are 10, 2s are 20. No, 10 ones are 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 upon 10. Now let's make the denominators equal. So this will be 10, this will be 10, this will be 120 upon 100. So rational number between is equal to 46 upon 100, 47 upon 100, and many more. 120 upon 100 and 4500 between these. The next question, question 5, is find 3 rational numbers between. It's just like the previous question. So I'll do one part of the 2 parts that are given. So the first is 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. So let's make these equal by any common factor. Not factor, not its multiple. So let's make it. So we'll make a bigger multiple because we want 3 rational numbers. So let's take 36. So we'll multiply by this with 12 and this with also 12 is equal to 12 upon 36, and this also by this by 18, this by 18 is equal to 18 upon 36. So the numbers between are 13 upon 36, 14 upon 36 and 15 upon 36. These are 3. So now let's do the 8th question. And 6th and 7th questions are just like the previous questions, just there are 5 rational numbers, 9 rational numbers. So we have to, in the 8 questions, we have to insert 100 rational numbers between minus 5 upon 30 and 11 upon 30. So these are 100 rational numbers. So we have to make a very big common multiple. So let's take 13, 4s are 520. So let's take 520. So minus 5 upon 13 multiply by 40, and this also multiply by 40 is equal to minus 200 upon 520, right? And 11 upon 13, this multiply by the same number 40 is equal to 4 multiply by 40. Okay, 440 upon 520. So 100 rational numbers between is minus 199 upon 520, minus 198 upon 520. dash 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 dash, and you can find these out. These are 100 rational.